Making Sense of Mixed Numbers, a guide to comparing and ordering. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're taking an exciting step forward in our journey through the world of numbers. We're going to explore the topic of comparing and ordering mixed numbers using common denominators. This might seem a bit complicated at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step to make it easy and fun. So, let's dive in. First things first, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a whole number combined with a fraction. For example, 3½ is a mixed number, where 3 is the whole number and 1/2 is the fraction. Why is it important to understand mixed numbers? In everyday life, we often use mixed numbers. Whether you're cooking, shopping, or doing DIY projects at home, knowing how to work with mixed numbers can be very helpful. Before we jump into comparing and ordering mixed numbers, let's quickly recap fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It's made up of a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us the total number of equal parts. A common denominator is a shared multiple of the denominators of several fractions. Why do we need common denominators? When the denominators are the same, it makes it easy to compare, add, or subtract fractions. Remember, to find a common denominator, you can multiply the denominators of the fractions together. However, it's often easier to find the least common denominator, which is the smallest common multiple of the denominators. Now, let's move on to the main topic: comparing and ordering mixed numbers using common denominators. When comparing mixed numbers, start by comparing the whole numbers. If they're the same, then you compare the fractional parts. If the fractions have different denominators, find the common denominator first, then compare. When ordering mixed numbers, you'll follow a similar process. List them from smallest to largest, or largest to smallest, by first looking at the whole numbers, then the fractions if necessary. There you have it. Now you know all about mixed numbers and how to compare and order them using common denominators. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with these numbers, the more comfortable you'll become. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this has been helpful. Tune in for our next video, where we will continue to explore the fascinating world of numbers. Happy learning and see you next time.